Hi, this is 11 Total Parts Pro. Today with 2020 Hyundai i30, stock number 7096. It's ran from the 3rd 2017 to the 12th 2023. It has a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is a G4NC 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand door mirror, left front and left rear door, no dents. Left rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Left hand tail light. Rear tailgate. Right hand tail light. Right rear 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Right rear door 4 dents. Right front door, no dents. Right hand door mirror. Right front guard. Right front 16-inch steel wheel tyre. Right front door card, right front master switch, centre console lid, automatic gear shifter, heated AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster.